Hello, friends. Good evening, everyone. How you guys doing today? I'm super excited to be here. You're welcome to this live session. Today promised to be exciting. We'll be going over Bitcoin, Chainlink, Phantom chat. This live session gives you an opportunity to ask questions, and of course, I'll do my best to provide answers. And as always, we are here to learn from each other, right? By the way, my name is CLINTON ONOS with Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you're seeing this channel, friends, I will appreciate you smash the like button, and of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel to get all important information absolutely handy. All right, friends. Also know that nothing you find in this session to be interpreted as financial, legal, or tax advice. Please always do your research. Without wasting much of our time, let's go over to the chart. All right, Bitcoin, Ether, that Bitcoin USDT. Like the chart somehow looks scary to a lot of people, right? Whatever the chart looks scary, try to go over to the monthly where you see an overview of what has been going on, right? This differentiate between a trader and an investor, right? An investor will care less about what's going on the an hour chart, right? 15-minute chart. That's really of no business to him or her. But trader will do, right? Because they want to profit from the shorter time movement of price action, right? So of course, I welcome all category of persons that are interested in crypto market, trader, investment. Okay, what can I read from the chart? As far as I'm concerned, right? We are currently still uptrending, right? Because you guys know what's up, you guys know why, right? This right here is a structural level to watch out from. A lot of let me not say liquidity, but a lot of stuff, right? A lot of orders right here, institutional level, right? Those who want to buy at discount, right? The question is price really gonna go this low again before going upward? Is what I cannot say yes or no, right? Because nobody can absolutely say this is what the price is going to do or not. But notwithstanding, uh, we at the critical level, which I would define as a demand level, right? At the moment, and of course, the structural level right here, right? Now, for the price to switch bearish, right, you would want to see price breaking this structural level, obviously coming to test this last up candle close, right? Probably the open, right? Then of course react off the open to break this low again, right? Which happen to be which will happen to be a demand zone, cause price reacting of a supply zone, the previous demand zone that has done a supply zone, right? Okay, all right, that is it. That is just trying to paint a scenario that might likely be the case, right? That has not happened yet, but that is a likely scenario. So friends, let's be watchful. But at the moment, we are still in a bull market, right? In the overall, we're in a bull market. These are just mini retracement that is expected after price has moved really distant, right? Remember, the price kicked off from 8,000 level up to, so you can imagine the distance the price has traveled. Is 8,000, right? All right, let me be specific, right? Come on, guys. All right, okay, from around 10,000 to 68,000 or thereabout. That's significant, right? So we expect this kind of retracement. Now the question is this gonna be A, B, C? Of course, if that's gonna be A, B, C, we should expect the price. So it depends on the pattern the ABC is still gonna paint, right? If it's gonna do an extended, obviously at this moment it cannot be a regular. It's obviously an extended flat, right? So might likely look at this kind of pattern, right? Then we move up, right? But those are just scenarios that we want to paint. You want to be anticipatory, right? You want to have something in mind that the price might likely do, so that when the price does it, you will react to it, right? You don't want to see price doing something and react to it, right? You want to have an anticipatory mode, or rather anticipatory view in mind. So when the price reacts to how you anticipated, then you can react, not reacting to what you really did not expect. So that's an overview, right? If you drop to a weekly time frame, of course, you will have a similar view of letting you know this is an obvious uptrending, right? And can we say this is a completed retracement and this is just the first leg, of the second move? Like, am I assuming, okay, let's even assume that, okay, from this beginning, this is one, right? I really don't want to go through this today, but let's assume this is one, this is the of course this 2, and this is 3, and of course this whole retracement should be 4. It's 4 ended already. Of course, we can argue that 4 should be around this level. Then where is 5? 5 can be of equal length with 1. Of course, it shouldn't be the shortest. It can be of equal length, of course, except for even truncated with 5 also is always not the shortest. So okay, let's assume this is the wave 3, and of course this wave 5. As wave 5 ended yet? Of course, I don't think it has, right? So we still expect an upward move to up to like 100k, like we've been speculating, right? Before a major downtrend, right? Major downtrend is going to see a lot of altcoin picking up, right? Bitcoin dominance is going to reduce drastically. Of course, a lot of altcoin. I really want to see a situation where we will have a breakover from Bitcoin controlling the whole cryptocurrency market, right? At least let's have some independent cryptocurrency moving independent of Bitcoin as a yardstick. So that is that, my friends. All right. So what am I saying right here? This right you just need right here, it can just be a first leg. This retracement can just be a wave 2, right? And I'm anticipating, right? I'm anticipating, like I've always said, right? You just have to learn how to anticipate. And of course, the retracement level so far is 62%, which is good. We can also have up to like 80% thereabout before nothing says we can't have that. But I believe this price is going to turn over here, like I said in yesterday's video. I believe this price is going to turn over here and continue upward. So guys, look out for that. I'm very certain at least up to like 70% certain this is going to happen, right? So guys, be watchful of that. I believe this month is going to be a bull month, right? um the Fed is likely to hike interest rates. Of course, interest rates hike, right, will encourage people buying more of the dollars, right? And of course, that will also lead to a lot of investors liquidating most of their assets to buy the dollar, and most of this capital might flow into cryptocurrency, which they might consider as a safe haven. And of course, you guys know that whenever interest rate is increasing, the bond market also respond. That is really not the focus of this particular discussion, right? Okay, so let's focus on cryptocurrency. What I'm saying is price is likely to react out of the demand zone, right? In the next couple of days to push upward, break these two equal relative equal highs, right? Break these relative equal highs and go upward. That's what I think will happen in the. So I am really not moved by this this particular price action. Not moved at all. Like, really not moved by this, right? I believe this is just a kind of I wouldn't want to use the word manipulation, kind of just a normal price action trying to paint a really good scenario. So guys, watch out for a structural level to break to turn bullish again. But this short-term downtrend at the moment can only switch bullish when structural level like this, like 51, 52 break, right, and holds above. We anticipate 65, 66 to break to see the 100,000 target being met. All right, friends, so I appreciate you can share this with friends, family, neighbor, whatever, whoever. All right, that would be nice. Let's quickly look at Link, right? Link have been performing really nicely. Of course, you can see this month so far, Link has turnover over about 30% increase, right? This right here, right? So let me see if I can get it exactly. All right, okay, yeah, about 30 to 36%, right? So that's that, about 30 to 36% so far. So this is what I expect for Bitcoin anytime soon. Bitcoin is going to turn over, like Chainlink just is doing at the moment. So overall, this is bullish, right? Of course, it's bullish. The structural level to watch here is obviously here in a very long term, right? Not short term trading. I'm talking about here, right? This is a demand zone to look out for, very critical one like that. And of course, you can clear price already reacted. Is price going to come and test it for the second time? Who knows? The price might come test it again, but I don't think it's going to do that. Price already reacted off it. And of course, you can see the reaction here already. So if I drop the weekly time frame, of course, you see a similar view, right? The fractal nature of the market, right? So overall, Link is really bullish at the moment, right? Unlike some other coin, right? So there was okay. I can argue that there was a little mini flip to bearish here, which is currently reacting off, right? Come on, yeah, right. The structural level, it broke. It couldn't stay below. It's going back. Of course, a bigger structural level. So overall, is bullish, and of course, I can't recall my target for Link, but I believe let me just run. If I run it, let me run it on a daily time frame, so we have a more realistic time view, right, rather than just assuming what we might likely not be able to wait to achieve, right? So okay, okay, I consider this projection. I can project from here. I consider this a completed, right? I can project this, right? Project this is gonna match 52, that's the previous high, and of course 80 or thereabout, right, is a very realistic, probably before 2022 ends, my C price going to that region, right? So let's be watchful. Of course, the structural level. I really don't see the structural level holding the price down. I believe it's going to break through this uh, relative equal high to Richard for probably where my likely see a very strong resistance is the previous high, which is likely a lot of investors are going to be taking profit around this level. And of course, some will take around this level, but this really institution might not really focus on just targeting moving price moving from year to year, right? They like, bigger price movements. So I believe they are going to be taking profit towards this zone, right? So that's that, friends. All right. Just so you know, comment section is open. Let me know what's up. Let me know what you think, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe, share this with your friends, family, neighbor, whatever, whoever. We appreciate. And of course, friends, you guys know what's up. Let's move on. All right, let's talk about Fantom. What's up? Fantom. All right, FTM. If you've been following us, you know right here that we crushed this, right? Been following. Go watch my previous video, right? Anyway, you see my headline saying Fantom FTM. Go watch it. I call this move right here, right? I remember one of our guests asked a question about Fantom, and I told I was actually expecting this to react off this level. Of course, it didn't react off this level. It came down all the way to this structural level, right? To react off, right? Which is not bad, right? Reacted of this level. Of course, you can see right there. If approaching its previous high, which no doubt you will see some resistance, but I did say that it likely targets $5 thereabout, if I can recall, right? Please go watch my previous video. You will have a better understanding. I can recall the absolute projection at the moment, right? I can't recall, but I believe it should be around that level, right? Okay, around $5 profit taking, 6 to $8 to $9 profit taking, whichever. Let's watch out. We can't call the future with utmost accuracy because no one knows what's going to happen then. But whatever it is, to monitor the price action. But really, this is really interesting, right? If I were you, I would be taking some profit, right? At this region, profit taking already good. Going on here. All right, price might likely come to this structural level, right? Retrace to the structural level before continuing upward. So I think our cash is our cash. If you are still on the trade, I'll encourage you to some profit, right? It would be nice you book some profits, right? Nobody's ever taking profit, right? And nobody ever go broke taking profit. At least take a portion of it. All right. I'm not preaching. I'm not encouraging you. This is not a financial advice. This is not an overview of price, right? The way I see it, of course, there are a lot of technique I might likely employ here that you will not have understanding of it, right? Because you might not have that kind of technical skill. A lot of things that I might likely be saying that you might not see. So whatever it is, friends, I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I know nothing. Like yeah, when I went on vacation before I resumed yesterday, I actually attended a mentorship. That has to tell you, I I want to learn more, so I'm learning from you also. All right, I appreciate question and answer session. If you have any question, please comment below. Let me know what's up. Let me know what you think. Also share this video with friends and family, neighbor, whatever, whoever. I will appreciate you do that. All right, in absence of any question, let me just pull out a random let's look at Polkadot. Polkadot is all the market is reacting of the Fed meeting released a while ago. I think they talked about reduction of balance sheets, right? Of course, there's is there a mention of interest rate hike, but interest rate hike is expected or whatever. All right, by tomorrow we have this faded out, right? A lot of investors are going to buy the dip as a result of this. So by tomorrow we should see a better price movement. So that's it, friends. Please share with friends, family, neighbor. So we'll have a full house and of course have a better question and answer session. Let me see if I can pull out FTM. I talked about. All right, okay, guys, you can see clearly, right? This is an old chart that I annotated, right? I think I should have another one, right? FTM. I think I should. I can't recall exactly, but I think I have another one where I did call, but you can see clearly I said the price is likely come to test the structural level. I drew this way before time. So this was not done yesterday, it was not done today, it was done way before time. That price might likely come to this level and react of it. You can see clearly price came, react of it, and of course you can see how much profit you must have booked if you were on that trade. All right, thanks friends, thanks a lot. I appreciate your time. I can't see any question. All right, I appreciate all those who've been following me. May God bless you. All right, I appreciate. Thank you so much. I appreciate more if you smash the like button, subscribe, share with friends. It's 9 p.m. West African time, right? Subscribe to this channel so you will have a notification whenever I come online not to discuss more about this. All right, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Take care and trade responsibly. Bye bye.